Hey kids! Welcome to the animal quiz. Let's see how many animals you can guess. Are you ready? Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Correct answer is lion. Which animal is the largest in the world? Correct answer is whale. Which animal has a very long neck? Correct answer is giraffe. Which animal lays eggs? Correct answer is hen. Which is the fastest land animal? Correct answer is leopard. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Correct answer is dog. Which animal can change its color? Correct answer is chameleon. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Correct answer is dove.